Hi everybody, here we're going to have a look at Collabor8online's basic document sharing features. To log into Collabor8online, you simply navigate to c8online.com, enter your username and password and click login. And this will give you access to the projects and folders that you have permission to view. Here you can see down the left hand side we have a series of projects that we're working on. If I click into any of these projects, you can see a folder structure underneath that main heading. Now this folder structure is your own invention, and as you can see as I'm clicking through these, the folder structure can be as complex or as sophisticated as you like. And if you've built a folder structure that you like the look of, you can save it down here as a template for use on future projects. Adding users to Collabor8online couldn't be easier. Right at the home screen you've got your list of users here, and the invite users button, you can simply enter an email address in here, send any users an invitation email and immediately add them to any project that you wish to add them to. We also have user groups, which means controlling users' permissions and access to individual projects even easier. Once you've added those users to your account, you can move down to the project level, where if you look at the project members, you can see which of your users you've already invited to work with you on this particular project. And clicking on the Manage Folders section, I can also see which folders I've given to any individual user to view. This makes controlling user permissions really easy, and once again you can do that using user groups if you wish as well, which makes it even easier. Navigating to any particular folder, you have a further option to check your permissions here. Now here I can see for my Architects folder which of my users have view, update or delete permissions on this folder. And just to illustrate exactly how those permissions work, what I've done here is logged in as one of our subcontractors, James Smith. If I click on our particular company here, we can see that James has got access to see just 3 projects that he's working on with us. And when we click on our medical centre job, we can see that he's got access to some folders, but not all of them. The advantage here is that your users only get to see the information that you want them to see, whilst giving them a much simplified view of your project. Uploading documents into Collabor8online really couldn't be easier. Simply navigate to the folder where you'd like to upload your documents and click on Upload Files. Now you can click here and browse your local or network drive to find the files that you want, or you can simply drag content from your desktop and drop it into this box. The files will be instantly uploaded. Collabor8online has the ability to send notification emails out to all of your users to tell them that you've uploaded new content. So I can type a simple message in here. And most importantly, I can decide who I'm going to tell about this new upload. I can notify all the people who have permission to view this folder, just my site managers, just my subcontractors, or any other group I define. Or I can select individuals who I think are particularly interested in this particular content. From here I can save the notification settings and then look at another feature. This feature we called Smart Add. Collabor8online takes a look at each file that you're trying to upload and decides if there's a similarly named file already in the folder. Here it's asking if our ground floor plan file is an incremented version of an earlier file. We can say yes and match those 2 files together. In this case it will increment the version number, display the current version on top and keep the old version for record purposes. I can take a match again on the second file and then I can upload all 3 files. Collabor8 immediately takes you back to the folder concern and you can instantly see which of your files have been updated. Here we can see that this file's been incremented to version P02. Here we have another P02, and here the file that wasn't a match for an existing content has been uploaded and given a neutral status. The notification feature we used there generated an email that was sent to the people that we selected. And if I bring this email on screen, you can see how it's been set out. First, it's titled with your own company name and logo, details about the project and even the folder that's been uploaded, and then the individual files are listed that are new and also the file that have been revised. If you note here, you can reply to the email to add your thoughts in a discussion thread that exists around the document. And if you click here, you'll be instantly taken to a historic issue sheet, which is automatically maintained for each upload, showing you previous uploads, current uploads, and the current state of the version of each particular document in that folder. Now, just looking at the list of files again, there's a whole host of other features on this page alone that we could talk about. So many, in fact, we've done a separate video. We're going to link that down below. But just covering the basics, you can see here that you can set a status for any particular file. You've got the current version number and a revision history immediately available to you. Lots of options down here, such as QR code printing, plus a full audit inspector that tells you everything that's ever happened to this particular document since it was originally uploaded. And under these document management actions drop down, you can move files to different folders, copy them, dynamically copy, that's linking two files together, obviously download, share, various other options. So many features in here. As I say, there's a separate page. But for now, let's look at some of the top end features that you get with the document management package in Collabor8online. So here we've used a file name analyzer to extract the document title from the file name and a file number. We're also using an alpha revision system. We could use alphanumeric or numeric, or indeed BIM style. Indeed, you can build the revision system to be as sophisticated as you like. And here we've automatically added a workflow to any document uploaded into this folder. Now, these workflows can be as sophisticated or as complex as you like. They follow your own rules and they assign tasks to users to approve or manage documentation. Now, the workflows are sophisticated enough to move a document from the uploads folder through review stages and into approved or rejected as the approval process is defined. Now, to help you build your workflows, we give you this flowchart style tool that lets you create as many stages in a workflow as you like and introduce as many decision nodes as you like to create the flow and actions that you'd like to see. And it doesn't just stop there. You don't have to use workflows for simple document approvals. They have huge applications in health and safety, even in materials management, Part L, of course, permits to work. And if we look here at the quality assurance aspect, we can also add digitized forms to that feature. So within a workflow, you can have someone complete a digitized form, leading to completed documentation in this stage, calling for images, geolocation stamps, and basically anything else you require. Obviously, signature sign-offs at the end. So workflows and digitized forms are a massive feature covered in separate videos. Here was a quick introductory look at Collabor8online's document management processes. We hope you found it useful. For more information, click or call. We'd love to hear from you.